पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 727. In Bhashya it was said, yo yo devanam pratyabudhyata tatharshrinam tatha manushyanam. So Brahma Vidya is for everyone. When it is said Brahma Vidya is for everyone, what was refuted was, it is not for Vishishta people, like only Devatas or only some people with Vishesha Karma Upasana. But that does not mean Brahma Vidya is for everyone, means everyone will get enlightenment. Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna Adhikari will get enlightened. So when it is said Brahma Vidya is for everyone, so we should not understand that, okay, then anyone will get Brahma Jnana. For Brahma Jnana, there is Adhikar Mimamsa. So whenever they say Kaschit Api, so that means Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna. What is not important is what is his Sharira, what is his Jati, what is his Ayu, what is his Avastha. These things are not Mahatvapurna. Sadhana Chatushtaya is Mahatvapurna. So if somebody says, I have not done any Sattvic Karma, I have not done any Upasana, Brahma Vidya Adhikara means you can listen to Brahma Vidya, but Jnanam is not guaranteed. Tika, third line. Nacha tvanmate api. Now there is a question. First, we should understand what he is trying to say. In Advaita, there is one Brahma, one Atma, one Chaitanya. And then yo yo devanam, so many devas, yo yo rishinam, manushyanam, so many rishis. So 3-4 of them, if they attain enlightenment, how do you explain one Atma, one Chaitanya? So he is putting that idea now. Nacha tvanmate api yadvara shravanadi kritva vidyodayas tadvaraiva chidatmano mukti siddhau kritam iti itaratra shravanadina iti vachya. Nacha vachyam yuli tvanmate api, even in your mata, yadvara shravanadi kritva vidya udaya. Yat means whoever is the person. Tadvara eva chidatmano mukti siddha. Whoever has done shravanam, for that person alone there is mukti. Chidatmanaha mukti siddha. Kritam iti atra. Kritam itaratra shravanadina. Kritam means vyartham. So itaratra shravanadi, other people, their shravanam is vyartham. Why? Because Chaitra already attained enlightenment and Jagat is mithya now, or Jagat is not there in that Brahma. So then what about other people doing Shravanam? Is vyartham iti nacha vachyam. Because in our mata also, we don't accept that. Others can do. Dvara bhedasya anushthatra vibhagadhina pravritti prayukta prayojanavad vidyodayasya cha kalpanikattvena yatha pratiti vyavastha upapatte. Vidya udaya is kalpanika. Vidya udayasya cha kalpanikattvena. Why we have to do Kalpana of Vidya Udaya? Because Bandhana is Kalpana. So then Vidya for that is also Kalpana in this way. Dwar Bhedasya, 12 number Tippanis. Some of these Tippanis are very helpful in this. 11 number Tippani also you can see a little. Tvanmate, Sarvatra Dehe Atmanah Ekatvat. In all Deha there is one Atma. Putrachit Sharire Shravanadina Vidya Uday. In Chaitra Sharira, let us say, so he did Shravanam Vidya Uday there. Taya eva tasya ekasya atmano mukti siddhau atmantarasya baddhasya abhavat. There is no other Atma who is baddha. So then Dehantare Shravanadina Vidyodayasya Vayarthyam. न च एक शरीरावच्छे शरीरा न च एक शरीरावच्छेदेन एव विद्योदयस्य इष्टत्वात् न वैयर्थ्य शंका अवकाश इति वाच्यम् विद्योदयानां यो यो देवानां इति श्रुतौ बहुषु श्रवणादि भाव. Many people can do श्रवण. Criteria for श्रवणम is sadhana chatushtaya. This is the important part. And that's why many people, when they do Shravanam, Pada Jnanam is not there. Sometimes Padartha Jnanam is not there. Padartha Jnanam, Bhranti can take place. Or even if Vakyartha Jnana takes place, I am not able to hold on to this Jnanam when I really need it. At the time of my mental crisis, that Jnanam is out. Then in the next day morning, 5:30 or Brahma Muhurta, I do Dhyanam, that Jnanam is available. That Jnanam could not do my Atyantika Dukha Nivritti. This is the proof. At the time when there is Dukham, if I can remember, this Dukham is Mithya. The one who is thinking is Dukhi is Mithya. Then only that knowledge is working. Otherwise, that knowledge is pratibadha. It is in closet. It is not available when I need it. Like I have medicine in my closet. It is locked. Keys I am not able to find. I am not well. Where medicine is there. Medicine is there. Why medicine is there? What is the use? It should not be like that. So that is why the whole Adhikar Mimamsa is there. That is why first sutra is there. Athat. Otherwise, there was no need to do Athato also. Just say Brahma Jignasa. Or you have Atha not as Anantarya. You use some other meaning. Arambha and Mangala, some other meaning could have been there. The whole reason why Atha Shabda is for Anantaryartha is this only. So they have not made, means Acharyas have not made karma or upasana as requirement. That you have to do this karma or you have to do this upasana. Requirement is sadhan chatushtaya. Dwara bhedasya anushthan. 12 number tippani also. अनुष्ठातृ इति यथा कर्मानुष्ठातॄणां काल्पनिक भेदात् नैक प्रवृत्त्या अपर प्रवृत्तेर वैयर्थ्यम. Just as in karma anushthanam also kalpanika bheda is there. One person doing yaga for swarga does not mean other person will not get it. His pravritti is not vyartha. Okay. So see tika now. द्वार भेदस्य अनुष्ठातृ विभागाधीन प्रवृत्ति प्रयुक्त प्रयोजनवत्. Just like that. विद्या उदयस्य च काल्पनिकत्वेन यथा प्रतीति व्यवस्था उपपत्ते. That somebody is realized, somebody is not realized. In this way, pratiti vyavastha is then in vyavahara. Then what is the reality? He says, vastuto nirvisheshe chinmatre न विद्या विद्ये बंध मुक्ति च इति अभिप्रेत्य परपक्ष निराकरणम उपसंहृत्य श्रुति व्याख्यानम प्रस्तौति। वस्तुतः निर्विशेषे निर्विकारे निर्विशेषे हिदाकुतः। व्हाट इज दैट श्लोका इन विवेक चूड़ामणि? निर्विकारे निराकारे निर्विशेषे भेदाकृता. That is the last line, couple of shlokas are there. What is given here is basically na nirodho, na chotpattihi, na baddho,
न च साधकः न मुमुक्षुर्न वै मुक्तः विद्येषा परमात्मा.
That is what is said here. See, निर्विशेष चिन्मात्रे न अविद्या विद्ये बंध मुक्ति. Neither there is bandha nor mukti. That's why he used the word kalpanika. And therefore, Bahujiva Vyavastha can be explained. Ekajiva is also kalpanika. Bahujiva is also kalpanika. Both of them have avidya. अभिप्रेत्य परपक्ष निराकरणम उपसंहृत्य श्रुति व्याख्यानम प्रस्तौति. परपक्ष निराकरणम, परपक्ष इज विच वन? सांख्य और न्याय?
भर्तृप्रपंच.
भर्तृप्रपंच. तस्मात् अत्यंत निकृष्टा शास्त्र बाह्या एव इयं कल्पना. So your kalpana is atyanta nikrishta. It's very inferior and shastra bahya. So whatever kalpana, as long as it is shastra bahya, then we will not take it. Prakritam tu vartayishyamah. Now what are we going to do? We are going to do the mantra vyakhyana. That is the prakarana. So this was a side topic. It suddenly came up. So Shruti Vyakhyanam Vartayishyamah. कर्तव्ये श्रुति व्याख्याने यत्र इत्याद्याकांक्षा पूर्वकम अवतारयति. श्रुति व्याख्याने कर्तव्ये. So if you have to do Shruti Vyakhana, you have to explain this yatra ityadi आकांक्षा पूर्वकम अवतारयति. तत्र केन प्रयुक्तम ग्रहाति ग्रह लक्षणम बंधनम इति एतन् निर्दिधार विषया आह. केन प्रयुक्तम ग्रहाति ग्रह लक्षणम बंधनम. प्रयुक्तम प्रापितम. So how did this grahati graha lakshana bandhanam has come? What is its swarupa? Its nirdharanam needs to be done. टीका तत्र पुरुष शब्देन विद्वान उक्तः अनंतरवाक्ये तत्सन्निधेः इति आशंक्य वक्ष्यमाण कर्माश्रयत्व लिंगेन बाध्यः सन्निधिः इति अभिप्रेत्य आह. सीधी मंत्र. मंत्र से याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यत्रास्य पुरुषस्य. So now, which is this Purusha? Purusha means a Manushya that we are talking about, or Purusha means Chaitanya we are talking about. What is this Purusha? So here he says, तत्र पुरुष शब्देन विद्वान उक्तः अनंतर वाक्ये तत्सन्निधेः इति आशंक्य. So somebody says Purusha means this Vidwan Purusha, Jnani Purusha. Why? Because Anantar Vakye Tat Sannidehe. The Vakya Sanni is there of the previous one. Anantar means Na Antaram Vidyate Yasmin Tad Anantaram. So here Anantara is not next one, Anantara is just previous one. And in previous one we discussed about Jnani. Correct? So here Anantar Vakye Tat Sannidhe iti ashankya. In Bhashya, Yatra Asya Purushasya Asamyak Darshina. Not Samyak Darshi. Asamyak Darshi means Avidwan. So Purva Pakshi's Akshepa was what? Purusha Shabda should be used for Vidwan. Bhashyakar says Purusha Shabda will be for Asamyak Darshi, means Avidwan. How did you come to that? See. Because Sannidhi of the previous Vakya is for Vidwan. In the previous mantra, 3 to 12. That was Vidwan. Iti ashankya, see in Tika. Vakshamana karma ashrayatva lingena badhyaha sannidhihi. Sannidhi badha will happen by what? Karma ashraya lingena. Karma ashraya linga will be given in this letter. So where is, because the question is, where is this Purusha? Kva ayam tada Purusho bhavati. So then mantra later says, Tauha yad uchatuhu karma haiva tad uchatu. Atha yad prashasansatuhu karma haiva tad prashasansatuhu. So where is he staying? In karma. Who will stay in karma? Vidwan or avidwan?
Avidwan.
Avidwan only. Now how Bhashyakar has, Tikakar has explained that? Can anybody tell?
Karma ashraya.
What is his karmashrayatva lingena badhyaha sannidhi? Online anybody?
Graha, atigraha, daksha.
Graha, atigraha, what? Shruti linga vakya prakana sthana samakhyanam paradaurbhalye samavaye.
Samavayena paridaurbhalyam.
So in this, linga is given and sannidhi means sthanam. Shruti linga vakya prakana sthana. Linga and sthanam. Between linga and sthanam, linga is prabala. Sthanam or sannidhi is durbala. This is the hetu. And in this, Tippanikara has not given anything. So that's why there is no answer available. So proximity could be there, But if linga is there, linga is prabal pramana. That is why he has used those exact words, linga and sannidhi. Yes, what is the question?
Harima Swamiji here, lingam is means ruti or indicator, because in Artha Sangraha means ruti.
No, here it is not ruti. Here it is indicator. Indicator here, but in which way indicator? It is directly given. You don't have to assume. Karma Shabda is there, but that Karma Shabda is Linga Grahaka. Means it is pointing out that Purusha has to be Ajnani because Purusha is Ashrita in Karma. When? At the time of Sushupti or at the time of death. When all his Indriyas, the faculties have gone to Devatas and everything has merged, at that time, only karma is pradhana for that person. Based on karma, he will have future gati. So that is the indicator here.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Okay. In Bhashya, Purushasya asamyak darshinaha shirah panyadi mato mrutasya vag agnim apyeti vatam prano apyeti chakshur adityam apyeti iti sarvatra sambhadyate. We have already seen all these Shira Panyadi during the mantra. Manas Chandram, Dishah Shrotram, Prithivim Shariram, Akasham iti atra Atma Adhishthanam, Hridayakasham Uchyate. Atma means Hridayakasham. Sa Akasham Apyeti. So Hridayakasha will become one with Bhutakasha. Oshadirapi yanti lomani वनस्पतीन अपियन्ति केशाः. Oshadis, loma merge with oshadi, kesha merge with vanaspati. Apsu lohitam cha retascha nidiyate iti punaha adana lingam. Apsu lohitam cha retascha nidiyate. So there is another lingam. In Tika. Sannidhi Badhe Lingantaram Aha. Sannidhi Badha, for that another linga also. What is the linga? Apsu Lohitam Retascha Nidhiyate. In waters, his Lohitam, Retam, Reta, they are Nidhiyate. They are placed. This is also taken as linga. Tika. Tasya hi punaha adana yogya dravya nidhane prayoga darshanat. इहापि पुनः आदानम लोहिता देहे आभाति अतः प्रसिद्ध संसारी गोचर एव अयम प्रश्नः इत्यर्थः. This lohita and reta, they are also placed. Placed means whatever you keep, you are going to take it up. Nidhiyate. See, for the other things, it is said apyeti or apyati shabda is there for everything else. But for this, it is said nidhiyate. So that's what he says. Tasya hi punaha adana yogya. Adana is there or adana? Huh? Adana. What is there in your books, those who are online?
Adana.
Adana yogya dravya nidhane. Prayoga darshanat. So iha api, here also adanam is there. Therefore it is linga that We are talking about samsari purusha only. Avidusho vaga, this is Mimamsa. That this purusha, even though previous mantra talked about Jivan Mukta, immediate next mantra is about Ajnani. Or like Vidya Shabda is given, but Vidya means Upasana Vidya or Brahma Vidya. We don't know. So you have to see through Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana Sthana Samadhya. And in Vedanta Paribhasha, we have done elaborate discussion on how one will do bhada of the next one. Avidusho Vagadilaya Abhavat Vang Manasi Darshanat Iti Nyayat Tasya cha atra shruter vidwan eva purushas tadiya kala vilayasya shruti prasiddhatvat iti ashankya aha. Avidusho Vagadilaya Abhavat. For Ajnani, Vagadilaya will not be there. They are all there. Vang Manasi Darshanat iti Nyayat. Vang Manasi Darshanat. This is Brahma Sutra. Nyayat, when they say, see, Sutra is given, Vang Manasi Darshanat Shabdat Cheti 4-1. Asya Somya Purushasya Prayato Vang Manasi Sampadyate Manah Prane Pranas Tejasi Teja Parasyam Devatayam Iti. So this krama is given for Jnani as well as Ajnani. Krama is same. Those who have studied Chandogya, they should recollect this. Iti Nyayat. Tasya cha, so there is Manasi, Vang Manasi Sampadyate. Vagadi Laya is not there. Nyayat tasya cha atra shruter vidwan eva purushaha tadiya kala vilayasya shruti prasiddhatvat iti ashankya. Upaksha says this vilaya is there only for vidwan. So therefore here vidwan only is discussed. Because for vidwan alone this kind of laya is there. I said no. Here sarvatra hi vagadi shabdena devataha parigrahyante natu karanani eva apakramanti. Here only the devata amsha goes to the devata, not that indriya laya has actually taken place. So in case of Ajnani, devatas have gone back to their Mulasthanam or Amshi. And the Indriya, Sukshma Sharir, they are all intact because Sukshma Sharir will travel. There is no laya. In case of Jnani, Vang Manasi Sampadyate means actually the Indriya laya happens. Sukshma Sharira is dissolved. Natu Karanani eva apakramanti. Prang mokshat. Mokshat prak. Karanani na apakramanti. Karanani na apakramanti. Until you get moksha, karana dissolution is not there. Tika. Agnyadhyamshanam vagadi shabditanam अपक्रमणे अपि करणानां तदभावे तदधिष्ठानस्य देहस्यापि भावेन भोग संभवात् न प्रश्नावकाशो अस्ति इति आशंक्य आह. अग्न्यादि अंश will go to Agni Devata. Where will it go from? From the Vagadi Indriya. Ajnadi Amsha will go to their Devata from the Indriya. So Ajnadi Amshanam Vagadi Shabditanam. By Vak Shabda in the mantra, what is actually said is Agni Amsha. Vagadi Shabditanam apakramane api. So that apakramana is there, apakramane api. Karananam tadabhave. But the karana, their apakramana is not there. Devata amsha apakramana is there. Deva karananam tadabhave. Tad adhishthanasya dehasyapi भावेन भोग संभवात न प्रश्नावकाशो अस्ति. Karanaam apakramana is not there. Means karanas are there. So deha also will be there. Next janma bhoga will be there. Not in this. See, what he is saying is, in this, somebody is asking, indriyas are there. So he can do bhoga. Sharira is there, indriyas are there. Deha syapi bhavena bhoga sambhavat. He says there na prashna avakasha. There is no question here. Why? तत्र देवताभिः अनधिष्ठितानि करणानि न्यस्त दात्रादि उपमानानि न्यस्त दात्रादि उपमानानि. दात्रा टिप्पणी भवन्ति इति शेषः. So now you the one who does the cutting of the grass, etc., he has instruments. With those instruments, he will do cutting. But when he goes to sleep, then what does he do with the instrument? He doesn't keep it with him. His tool belt is not there. He keeps everything. So when he is not working, then he is nyasta datra, datradi, other instruments also. So nyasta karanaha, if you want to simplify, nyastani karanani yena saha nyasta karanaha. Nyasta means sannyasta. He has given up. So at that time, he is not karta. Like that, when devata amsha has departed from here, then that karana is as good as not available. Even though it is there, it is non-functional, which happens in the case of living person also. If the devata amsha has stopped blessing, that organ is not going to function. न्यस्त दात्रादि उपमानानि विदेहश्च कर्ता पुरुषो अस्वतंत्रः किम आश्रितो भवति इति पृच्छ्यते. पृच्छ्यते, पृच्छयते और पृच्छ्यते. यकार is connected.
पृच्छयते शब्द.
No, your reading is same as my reading. So pruchyate only is the right reading, not pruchayate. To make correction, so he is aswatantra. He is not swatantra, even though we say swatantra karta. But here, a karta purusho aswatantra. Why? Because he has to depend upon all instruments. It's like this. Let's say there is some problem in your fan or something, and you call the person, maintenance person comes. But he just comes to look at it. And he says, this is a problem. He understood. Okay, fix it. I cannot do anything right now. Why? Karanas are not there. So in the absence of karana, karta is not swatantra. He is aswatantra. टीका देवतांशेषु उपसंहृतेषु इति यावत्. When the devata amsha is upasamhrita, then tatra means this. तेषां ताभिः अनधिष्ठितत्वे सति अर्थक्रिया अक्षमत्वं फलति इत्याह. तेषां ताभिः अनधिष्ठितत्वे तेषां
इंद्रिय
इंद्रियाणां करणानां ताभिः देवताभिः. Very simple. Anadhishtitatve, when indriyas are not blessed by the devatas, anadhishtitatve sati, arthakriya akshamatvam phalati. Then arthakriya karitvam is not there for the indriyas. Karananam adhishthatri हीनानां भोग हेतुत्व अभावे अपि कथम आश्रय प्रश्नो भोक्तुः स्यात् इति आशंका. If karananam adhishthatritva is not there, devatas have left the indriyas, adhishthatri hinanam, then bhoga hetutva is not there. Okay, then why this question is there? Katham ashraya prashna, where is he ashrita? Katham ashraya prashno bhoktuhu syat iti ashankyaha. Videhascha karta पुरुषः अस्वतंत्रः किम आश्रितो भवति इति पृच्छ्यते. वायम तदा पुरुषो भवति. So the question is valid because at that time he has separated himself from the sharira, this jiva, ajnani purusha. So Indriya devatas got their ashraya. Sthula sharira will go to Panchamahabhuta. Sukshma sharira ashraya is what? Sukshma sharira, when we say, means sabhasa. Chidabhasa is always there. Prashnam vivrunoti. So किमाश्रितस् तदा पुरुषो भवति. यम आश्रयम आश्रित्य पुनः कार्यकरण संघातम उपादत्ते येन ग्रहाति ग्रह लक्षणम बंधनम प्रयुज्यते तत्किम इति प्रश्नः. यम आश्रयम आश्रित्य. So there is some ashraya where jiva will go. From there what he will do? Punaha karyakarana sanghatam upadatte. Again he will take up karyakarana sanghata. So all his indriyas, means the sukshma sharira amshas are there. He just have to gather everything. And then sthula sharira nirmana he will do. But based on what? What is that ashraya? Once he does that, then grahati graha lakshana bandhanam will come. So if his karma, answer is karma. What is the ashraya? Karma is the ashraya. If his karmas are very good, he will take devata sharira, devata sthula sharira, indriyas will work there, he will go to that destination. If the karmas are mediocre, manushya. If inferior, pashu, pakshi, kita, patanga, whatever. So karma is the ashraya. Now answer. Aha, ahara ityadi pariharam avatarayati. Shanka parihara is done now. Parihara means solution to the question or refutation to the doubt. Atra uchyate. Atra prashne uchyate prativachanam. Answer is given now. Swabhava yadricha kala karma daiva vijnana matra shunyani vadibihi parikalpitani. Vadis, they do kalpana. What? He is ashrita in swabhava or yadricha, kala, karma, daiva, vijnana matra or shunya. अतो अनेक विप्रतिपत्ति स्थानत्वात् नैव जल्प न्यायेन वस्तु निर्णयः. why did he take the hand of this Artha Bhaga? He said, give me your hand. Let us go to another room and we will discuss. Why he didn't discuss there in front? Because in this matter, there is lot of debate by different vadis. Because this is the case, therefore, you will not be able to do Vastu Nirnaya. So in certain cases where Shruti Pramana or Aptavakya Pramana alone will take you further, then when you become little Paripakva, then you will be able to think, analyze. So he says here, Ato Aneka Vipratipatti Sthanatva. There are so many Vipratipatti Sthanam. Jalpa Nyayana Vastu Nirnayaha Naiva. Here you cannot do Jalpa. Here you have to have Samvada. Means here you will have to only listen to my teaching. And this we have to remember when we do any such study, that if we have some question, and let's say there are people of this heterogeneous group, that some people are totally Charvak like, some people are of different following different dharma, and then such question has come and you want to tell this person what is the Shruti Mata, you will not be able to tell, because all of them will start raising some totally wrong ideas. Discussion will go in tangent. So Jalpanyayana Vastu Nirnaya na. Atra Vastu Nirnayam Ched Ichhasi Ahara Somya Hastam Artha Bhaga. Hey Artha Bhaga, Somya Hastam Ahara, give me your hand. Amam eva etasya tatprishtasya veditavyam yat tad vedishyavo nirupayishyavaha. Whatever that you have asked, only we both have to know. All these people, they will just take the discussion somewhere. And that is why wise person, when he does not want the discussion to go here, there, he will tell only that person who will understand. Those who don't understand, no matter how much you tell, they will never understand. Why? Because they are all these, they are given here. I will just read this line. Mimamsaka lokayataha jyotirvidaha vaidika devata kandiya vijnanavadino madhyamikascha iti aneke vipratipattara. This is corresponding to swabhava yadricha kala karma etc. Jalpanyayena paraspara prachalita matra paryantena vicharena iti yavat. Jalpanyaya means paraspara prachalita matra paryanta, you will not be able to come to conclusion. Atra iti prashnokti. So here, in case of question like this, we will have to separately discuss. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.